Hello and welcome to Kilroy the Komodo Dragon. That is correct, my friends. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let's move on to our scenario. Kilroy the Komodo Dragon is dangerous. Hey, they don't call him Kilroy for nothing. Kilroy has killed deer, carrion, pigs, and even water buffalo. In his defense, that is his food. Kilroy only eats about once a month, but when he eats a lot. He eats 3,456 ounces of meat. That's over 180 pounds at each meal. Let's just write that down. And there you have it, my friends. 3,456 ounces of meat at each meal. Now, your question is, how many ounces of meat has Kilroy, the Komodo Dragon, eaten in the past 369 meals? 369 meals, and at each one, he had this much meat, right? So this is a multiplication problem, and the first thing I always like to do is write my counting by the numbers down, and I've got those all set for you, my friends. I've got 3s, 6s, and 9s for the 3s, 6s, and 9s here. Next thing you want to do is write your number on top that you're multiplying, right? So I've got 3,456, and then I'm going to create a number of area boxes. So my first one will be right here. My second one will be right below it. Right there. Superb. And my third one will be right below that. Now, I'm going to break the 369 into 300 plus 60 plus 9. So I'll go 300 plus 60 plus 9. Super. And I'll multiply each of these in their according area box, right? So the first one I'll do is 9 times 3,456. So I'm going to go 9 times 6. I got 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and 6 gives me 54. So I'm going to drop my 4 and carry my 5. And then I'll just move right along. 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 45. Plus this 5 will give me 50. So I'll drop the 0 and carry the 5 right here. Next, I've got 9 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 36. Plus this 5 will give me 41. So I'll drop my 1 and carry my 4 right on up there. Next, got my last multiplication for this area box. 9 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives me 27. Plus 4 is going to give me 31. So I'll drop my 1 and my 3, and I'm all set. All done with this area box right here. And now I'm ready to rock and roll with the 60. I'm going to start with the 0 first. 0 times anything, in this case, 3,456 will give me 0. So I'll drop my 0 right there. And you can also think of this 0 as holding the place value for the 1s column. Now I'm going to move on to the 6. 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give me 36. I'll drop the 6 and carry the 3. So drop the 6 and carry the 3 right up there, and ready to rock and roll. 6 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 30, plus 3 will give me 33. I'll drop the 3 and carry the 3 right up there. Super! Now, 6 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 24, plus this 3 will give me 27. So I'm going to drop the 7 and carry the 2 right there. Super! And now, 6 times 3, 1, 2, and 3 gives me 18, plus 2 will give me 20, and I'll drop the 0 and the 2, and now I'm all done with this area box. I'm ready to move on to this one. And here we go, my friends. First of all, I got these 2 zeros here, so I can just use those as my place value holders because 0 times 3,456 gives you 0, and this 0 times 3,456 will also give you 0. You can also think of it as this is the place value holder for the ones column, this is the tens column, this is the ones column, this is the tens column, and now I'm ready to move on to the hundreds column. And here we go. 3 times 6. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give me 18. I'll drop the 8 and carry the 1. So I'll drop that 8 and carry the 1 right over there. Superb. Next, I've got 3 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 15, plus this will give me 16. I'll drop the 6 and carry the 1 right there. And now I've got 3 times 4. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, gives me 12, plus 1 will give me 13. So I'm going to drop the 3 and carry yet another 1 right there. And now finally, 3 times 3 is going to give me 1, 2, 3, 9, plus 1 is going to give me 10. And I'll drop the 0 and the 1. And guess what, my friends? I am all done with all my multiplication. Now all I have to do is add these bad boys up. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And for the first one, I've just got zeros and 4, right? So that's going to give me 4. And for my second one, I've just got 6, so that's going to give me 6. Next, I've got 8 plus 3 is going to give me 11, plus 1 will give me 12. So I'll drop my 2 and carry my 1 right there. Oops, that 1 is not showing up very well. So this is like 1 and another 1. All right, let's make sure we got that. So here I've got 1 and 1 is going to give me 2, plus 7 will give me 19, plus 6 will give me 15. So I'll drop my 5 and carry my 1 right up here. And then I've got 3 plus 3 is going to give me 6, plus 1 will give me 7. Drop my 7. And right here I've got 2 plus nothing is going to give me 2. And 1 and nothing is going to give you 1. And you got to put your commas in there, 1 there, 1 there. And lo and behold, 1,275,264 is your answer. And that, my friends, is a lot of meat that our friend Kilroy the Komodo Dragon has eaten over the past 369 meals. That's a whole lot of ounces of meat. At any rate, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counted by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.